it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ay. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Brittany Bear Makeup here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video was inspired by my favorite color. I love purple so much, but I've never actually worn it on my eyes. So I thought, why not do it for the first time and show all of my bear family how to get this gorgeous look. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys could be a part of my bear family. Like, share, comment, and as always guys, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching as I show you guys how to get this gorgeous, sexy purple glam.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright guys, you already know what time it is. It is time for a tutorial showing you guys how to get the most beautiful, perfect, smoky purple eye. So today's inspiration is purple, my favorite color, because I hardly ever wear purple, but I'm like obsessed with the color. So why not just do a look and really show appreciation for the color that I love so much. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on today's tutorial. The first step, obviously, as always, is going to be to prime our eyelids. And for this, I'll be taking my Kylie concealer. I'm changing it up. This time I'm using the shade Maple, and I'm going to be applying this product onto my eyelids. Then taking a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this in and mattify both sides of my eyes. By the way, I was so adamant about getting some sort of purple vibe in this. This is actually purple in real life. It's like purple and pink. That I spent $10 on this little headband that I'm probably never gonna wear again. I look like a fortune teller. This is so creepy. All right guys, so today I'm really excited because I'm going to be using my Morphe liquid lipstick as an eyeshadow base for my eyelids. So I'm gonna be using this and applying it on both sides of my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna apply it on one. I always do one eye on camera and then the other one off camera. So I'm gonna start with this eye. So I'm applying this onto my lid and I'm gonna let it kind of dry for a little bit. Then picking up an e.l.f. brush, this is the crease brush, I'm going to be pressing this actual pigment into my lid and using the excess cream to kind of blend out into my crease. I'm gonna go into my Weekend Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. You guys see this often because I love how neon the colors are and the pigmentation is beautiful. It's extremely affordable, so I'm all about showing light to products like this. So I'm gonna be picking up the color Wicked, and I'm actually just gonna be using my finger, and I'm gonna be pressing this color onto my eyelid. It is so beautiful, guys. Do we see how many colors it has going on here? It has like blue, purple reflexes, such a beautiful shade. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go into the color Swag and Wicked once again, and I'm going to be buffing this into the crease of my eye and really just blending out that eyeshadow. So when I'm creating my eyeshadow looks, guys, I always try to make it extremely simple. I know how it is to follow along on a tutorial and try your best, and they're using like 20 different eyeshadows and it's so complicated. So I do my best to try to make these very simple so that you guys can just create them at home and make it look amazing. So picking up a clean brush, this is the e.l.f. blending brush. I'm just gonna buff all of those colors into my crease and really make sure that everything is nice and flawless. All right guys, so here is the purple eye look. I'm also gonna be adding eyeliner to this. So very rarely do I do this, but today I'm like, let's go above and beyond, let's add some liner. So for today, I'll be picking up my Maybelline Master Precise black liner pen. Now pulling back on my eyelid to help me create the wing, I'm gonna go ahead and start off by drawing that straight line upward towards the end of my brow, and then dragging that line down onto my lash line. Just like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just swoop this across my lower lash line, very thin and small, calculated strokes. I'm gonna be grabbing a clean wipe and I'm going to be pulling upward on my eye to clean up any excess shadow and really just sharpen that nice fine liner. Alright guys, so here is what the eyeshadow looks like on one side. I know I look tragic. This little headpiece is like, it's not that cute. I totally get it. But it keeps my hair from getting in my foundation, so I always have to use it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna go off camera for a second, finish off the other eye so I don't waste your precious time. And when I come back, we are gonna go ahead and finish off this purple-inspired makeup tutorial. So once I went ahead and I finished off the eyes, I found my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. And I've actually never used this palette because these colors were always very daring for me. But because I'm going for like this beautiful blue look, I found the color Purple Horseshoe and I wanted to try it today. And I'm just gonna be applying this color right on top of the purple eyeshadow. Wow, this is so pretty. I look so scary right now. I look like Ursula's sister, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the foundation. So for today, I got these new foundations in the mail. These are from Benefit. So this is called Hello Happy. It's like this cute little packaging bottle. It's light medium coverage. So I wanted to try it on my skin today and kind of see what I thought about it. I'm hoping it gives me good coverage because you know I love a very full coverage foundation. So I'm grabbing the foundation and wait a second, hold on. That has to be a lie. All right, guys, so right off the bat, this foundation is super cute, but I already know it's not for me. It is such a lightweight foundation. It almost feels like, I don't know, it's just, can we see? This is no makeup, this is makeup. I need something a lot more full coverage today, so I'm gonna go in with my Jouer. I'm actually gonna just pump one pump. Maybe it can give me a better coverage foundation. I would say that if you guys like the natural foundation, it is probably something more for you, but definitely not for me. Like, I need to not be able to see any of my natural skin, so that didn't work out like planned. This already is so much better. Yeah, I definitely need a lot more coverage, guys. Benefit try to play me right now, giving me water in a bottle. No. Not for me, guys, not for me. You know what? This would actually probably be really cool doing. I'm actually gonna contour with this. We're not gonna actually give up on it quite yet. I'm gonna use it to contour. Maybe it would give me like a really natural bronzy look. So that's gonna be the next step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use a darker shade. I'm gonna try to see what it would be like to contour with it. Because I feel like since it's so lightweight, it might give you a really natural contour. So this is in the shade 8. This is the Soft Blur Foundation. And I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbones just to give me like that natural. Okay, that didn't work either because I'm actually really dark. So shade number 8 isn't probably that far up than I thought it was. So we're just gonna scrap this idea in itself. I don't think I can actually review this foundation because 1, I'm not a fan of light coverage foundations, and 2, I chose the wrong colors. So we're just gonna keep on going with today's tutorial. Maybe we'll come back to that another day. But I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics Skin Concealers. This one is in the shade Maple, and I'm gonna use this to conceal under my eyes first. So applying it on both sides of my eyes. Such a pretty color. Down the bridge of my nose to give me that nice straight nose highlight. On my chin. So what I would have did is I put Maple underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, bottom chin, corners in my mouth. You already know the routine, guys. If you're an avid Brittany Bear follower, if you're verified, you know how to highlight, you know how to contour. So now taking that sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all out. It's actually crazy because purple is my favorite color, but I don't think I've ever worn purple eyeshadow. So this is definitely a first for me. These concealers are so creamy. They're leaving me looking flawless. Can we just talk about that under eye highlight right now? So you already know what time it is, guys. I'm gonna be taking my Veil, my banana powder. So I'm using this and I'm packing it on. You already know the drill. I love a really good under eye highlight that is not gonna move throughout the day. And then I go ahead and I put the powder on the bridge of my nose as well to make it look more slim. Okay, that didn't even show anything, so there we go. Okay, can't breathe. On my chin, corner of my mouth, the top of my forehead where I naturally get a little bit more oily. A lot of people actually get oily up here, your T-zone, so it's normally your lower part of your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and this area. So when you are applying powder, girl, go in. Apply as much powder as your heart desires. You can never go wrong with a matte face. Actually, you can, because then you could look crusty, and we don't want that, but crusty is way better than looking all slimy and wet. So this is what we're looking at right now. Still very scary, still look like a grape. But now we are going to be picking up an e.l.f. angled blush brush. I just bought this today. And I'm gonna be taking my Morphe contour palette. I'm gonna be using the color Donut. I'm going to be contouring out my cheekbones. So this e.l.f. brush is actually super soft. And you always want a very soft brush when you are putting on contour, because I've learned from experience that sometimes when I use something that's too hard in the bristles, it will actually scratch away my foundation and make me look so blotchy. So using a very soft, fluffy brush or something like this that's synthetic will actually make your bronzer look very flawless and you will not be blotchy. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows. I don't wanna waste your guys' time. So when I come back, we're gonna finish off this purple inspired makeup look. We're going to become the purple Fanta girl. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so I am back. I'm ready to put on my eyelashes and I'm ready to finish off this beautiful grape inspired makeup tutorial. So these are actually the Huda Beauty Scarlet Lashes. What I went and did is I cut off the little tip of the lashes because they kind of flare out. And this gives me more of that beautiful wispy cat eye effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick these bad boys on the corner of my eye. So it gives it that fluttery appearance. Do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna be taking my mascara. This is my Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And I'm applying this onto my lashes. Alright guys, so it is now time to smoke a beautiful purple shade underneath the eyes to finish off this eye look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my palette, my BH Cosmetics palette, the Weekend Festival, and I'm going to be taking the color Wicked along with Swag, and I'm going to be smoking this underneath my eye. Alright guys, so once I went ahead and I did that, I'm going to go into my black liner pencil. This one is from L'Oreal Paris, the Infallible Never Fail eyeliner in the shade black. And I'm going to be applying this into my waterline. Then taking my palette once again from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this time I'm going to mix Purple Horseshoe and Lucky Clover. And I'm going to pop this right into the corner of my eye. As you guys can see, just like that. So pretty. So to finish off today's lips, I'm going to be taking my KKW Beauty lip pencil. I'm going to be using shade number 3. And I'm going to be outlining my lips. And for today's lip, I'm going to be doing 2 lips. I'm going to be using the shade number 1 and number 3. If you guys watched my video, then you know these were my 2 favorite colors that I'm going to mix together. I just love how creamy they are. They honestly make me feel like I'm wearing like gloss and a beautiful lipstick at the same time. I'm going to be picking up Kim's KKW Beauty. This is her highlighter palette. I'm going to be mixing this champagne shade along with this light bright white shade. And I'm just going to be highlighting the high points of my face. So above my cheekbones, right above my forehead. Alright Bear Family, so here is the final purple inspired tutorial. You guys already know purple is my favorite color and I've actually never worn purple on my eyes. So I hope all of you guys loved today's tutorial. If you guys did, then don't forget to give me a big ol' thumbs up, like, share, comment, and as always guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see all of my Bear Family in the next video. Bye guys!
Walk it like I talk it, 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 woo. Walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, ayy. Walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, yeah.